What's poppin', guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you my go-to makeup look that I do when I'm going to go out. I'm going to do something cute, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. To prime my skin, I always use the SmashBox Photo Finish Primer, and I love this stuff because it really does have this like blurring effect and it smooths out my skin. And then for foundation, I always use the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation, and girl, this stuff gives me a good amount of coverage, but at the same time it feels really light on my skin, so I really like that. Then to conceal, I'm going to be using the Maybelline FitMe Concealer, and this is in the shade Sand. By the way, guys, to blend everything out, I'm using the Real Techniques sponge, and I actually like this sponge a lot better than the Beauty Blender just because it feels a lot more lightweight and soft on the skin, plus it's a lot cheaper, girl. Now I'm going to be doing a little bit of contouring, so I actually like to take a foundation stick, and this is the Maybelline Fit Me Shine Free Balance Foundation Stick in the shade Coconut. So I just put this on my cheeks, my forehead, and my jawline. And then I go ahead and apply my Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r powder, and this is in the shade Banana, and I put this under my eyes, on my chin, my forehead, and on my nose because it tends to get oily. And then I go in with the Maybelline SuperStay Better Skin powder, and this is in the shade Nude Beige, and I just use this to set the rest of my face. And then afterwards I like to go in with a smaller brush to wipe away the rest of the bake. Now for bronzer, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Color Icon bronzer, and this is in the shade Palm Beach Ready, and I really like this bronzer because it gives me a little bit of shimmer, and y'all know I love to look glowy and all that. Now for blush, I think blush has become like my favorite part of doing my makeup, which is really weird because most people think it's like the least important part. But I'm taking the Milani Dolce Pink blush, and as y'all can see, I really like this blush. Now I'm taking the Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Hustler Baby, and girl, watch me glow. But yeah, I'm applying this with the Morphe 501 brush, I think. I need to go look at it. Hold on. Guys, I'm so unprofessional, but yeah, that's the Morphe 501 brush, in case you were wondering. To freshen up my face, I always like to spray on some MAC Fix Plus, but now for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take the shade Rush, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lid and my crease because I'm only using this one color. I'm going to apply my favorite lashes of all time, the Makeup Shack lashes in the style Dubai, and then I'm just taking the eyeshadow color that I used and I'm placing that on, well, underneath my waterline. And for eyeliner, I'm using some white eyeliner from Wet n Wild. And this is really just going to brighten your eyes and give the effect that you have bigger eyes than you really do. Now for lips, I'm taking the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in the shade Ruffle Trim, and yeah, I love this liquid lipstick because it's not drying at all and it has really nice pigmentation, super creamy, and yeah. Then on top of that, I'm just taking the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Mocha Twist. Last but not least, I set my face with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray, and that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one.